Hey, and you wonder why I bought a fucking Circo, you know what I mean?
That's so weird.
It is random. That's so fucking random.
The battery has power.
Definitely sounds like it's cranking hard enough.
It's cranking like a motherfucker.
Maybe it was.
Let's kill.
I know.
That's it. The magic truck.
Kill switch! He's good! Kill switch!
I think it is.
Yeah, it's water getting in there when you fucking pressure wash it. There's fucking Soldier Mac. Let's go, baby! Woo!
Are we that much faster then?
Oh, you know we are, bro.
You see me doubling and wheeling
Yeah.
and all those shits?
So I started doing it. I said, well, I'm just whoa, then fuck it.
We gotta go that way.
Looks pretty good. You got me. Yeah. Oh God. Yeah, it looks like it. Looks like people go up.
That's it.
Hey. 2024, baby. Sherco 300. XC300 ripping, baby. Me and motherfucking Logan, T-Mac, Garrett. Fucking riding, baby. Walker Valley. Ripping. Clap, clap, clap that motherfucker. You motherfucker. Ripping, baby. I just fucking ate them rocks. No, ripping, baby. 2024 Walker Valley, out here doing this shit. Following Zach. Oh, I mean that's T-Mac. Shit, my bad. I thought that was fucking SpongeBob. I mean, you know, Patrick. Go! Fuck you waiting for?
This is it, right, Garrett?
This looks like it's it.
I don't know.
This looks like the one, dude. Yeah. Let's go check her out, Logie.
You go first.
It ain't gonna be that bad. Yeah, there's a trail. Wrong gear. Yeah. Let's go!